Hi, Jean Lurssen here. This week I want to share with you some of the work my students have created in my online courses. I'm so proud of how many students have come up with their own interpretations of my lessons. What I'm going to do is first show the painting I taught in the lesson, followed by the student interpretations of that lesson. Because of the time constraint, I couldn't choose all of the paintings that have been sent to me. The point that I want to get across is that when you do a lesson, think about interpreting it in your own way. So here they are, and I hope you enjoy watching.